In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders and mark them as fulfilled in your Wix e-commerce store. Whether you're new to e-commerce or a seasoned veteran, following these steps will help you manage your store's orders more efficiently. Let's start by heading over to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard's home page. From here, we'll kick things off by navigating to the Sales section. This area is your hub for keeping track of all your business transactions and is located conveniently in the sidebar of the dashboard. Click on Sales to proceed. Now, look for the Orders tab and click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all your current orders. It's a great way to get an instant overview of what's going on with your business. Now that you have your list of orders open, let's move on to creating a new order. For that, you're going to click on the Add New Order button. This option is useful when you need to manually enter orders that might have been placed outside of your Wix store, such as phone orders or in-person sales. Once you're ready to add a new item to this order, click on Add Item. Then select the specific product you wish to include by clicking on Product. Choose the appropriate product from your inventory that you want to add to this order. After picking the product, click the Add to Order button. This will drop your chosen item into the current order, getting you one step closer to finalizing this transaction. Next, it'll be time to identify the customer for this order. Click on Choose a Customer and select the existing customer for whom the order is being created, or manually enter new customer details if needed. Once the customer is selected, you can go ahead and click Create Order. This confirms the order's creation in your system. After creating the order, you have several options for processing payment. To initiate a payment request, click on Collect Payment. Here, you're presented with methods like Charge with Paylink or Charge with Invoice. The Paylink option sends a secure link to the customer's email for quick and easy payment online. On the other hand, selecting Charge with Invoice allows you to send a traditional invoice for your records and the customers, offering flexibility based on how your customer prefers to pay. If the customer has already paid outside of Wix's online payment systems, you can simply mark the order as paid manually. To do this, click on Mark as Paid. Ensure you always confirm this payment with your financial records to maintain accuracy. Finally, click As Paid to confirm the order status and reflect it as completed in your store's system. That's it. You've successfully checked your orders and marked them as fulfilled in your Wix e-commerce store. If you keep practicing these steps, managing your orders will soon become second nature and your business will thank you for it. Happy selling!